Hello students, Debashish again from Dev's Learning Hub, my YouTube channel and also my Facebook page Dev's Learning Hub. Right. Question number 8. The least positive value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 4 equals to 0 has rational roots. So you need to find out the value of k. What kind of value? Least positive value of k. That means k can have multiple values, but you need to take the least positive, determine the least positive value. And what is the condition? To become the roots of this equation rational roots for quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 4 equals to 0. So there are two significant terms, rational root. What is the condition to become a rational root for a quadratic equation? The rational root for a quadratic equation, the condition is the discriminant has to be a perfect square. So what is the Siddharacharya formula to find out the root for a quadratic equation? So if the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, ये quadratic equation के लिए x का value क्या होगा? माइनस b प्लस माइनस रूट ओवर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2a. ये b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac क्या होता है? ये होता है डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. अगर ये रूट x का रूट को रैशनल होना पड़ेगा, इसका मतलब ये b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac ये वैल्यू को परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज रैशनल रूट ओवर इज नॉट अ rational number, so you need to eliminate these root. So to eliminate this root, आपका ये डिस्क्रिमिनेंट जो है b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac that has to be a perfect square. इसका बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इसमें लिखा हुआ है 2x स्क्वायर प्लस kx माइनस 4, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में डिस्क्रिमिनेंट का वैल्यू क्या है वो निकलना पड़ेगा फर्स्ट. So the discriminant value for this particular quadratic equation, it is k square plus 32. You got the discriminant value, and this discriminant has to be a perfect square to have the rational root for this quadratic equation. So if this discriminant has to be perfect square, in that case k square it is there. That means value of k square is always positive. You need to go ahead of 32. So the nearest square term, it is 36. So k square plus 32, this discriminant value has to be 36. Why it is saying least positive value? The least positive value means k square plus 32, 36 is the nearest square number of 32. But the next square number, it is 7 square 49. 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So k square plus 32 can be also 49, but we will not consider that. It is asking for the least positive value. So least number we need to consider 36. So in that case, what will be the value? K square plus 32, that should be 36. So in that case, what is the value of k square? K square equals to 36 minus 32, that is equals to 4. So value of k equals to plus minus 2. Now the condition, it is positive value. So we have identified the least positive value by identifying the square number, that is 36. That is 36. The least positive value you need to consider. Therefore, you will consider k equals to plus 2. K equals to 2, not k equals to minus 2. So synopsis of this problem, this is a very good problem. The rational root, for that you need to know the condition, the discriminant has to be a perfect square. So k square plus 32 has to be perfect square. Now, which perfect square? After 32 or before 32? K square is always a square number, so it cannot be negative. So always you need to go ahead of 32 plus. So after 32, which is the nearest square number? 36. After that 49. But we will not consider beyond 36 because it is saying least value. So therefore we are considering 36. Now positive value of k, least positive value. Therefore we will negate k equals to minus 2. We will consider k equals to 2. This is the answer. Even though it is a multiple choice question, but it's a very good question, right? K equals very good, but and it's a bit of tricky, right? So k equals to 2, that means which option it is given for k equals to 2? K equals to 2, it is given for option B. So the answer is option B. This option B is 2. So if you have liked this, so please click on the like button And if you would like to have this kind of video again and again to clear your fundamental concept in mathematics and also to answer questions, so please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel Dev's Learning Hub, and also follow my Facebook page Dev's Learning Hub. Thank you very much.